To access the Marsden Service Portal, use the web address shown here. You can contact the Marsden Service Desk to request your username and password. Input your username and password and click on Login. You will be directed straight to the Assets page. Here, you can see all the weighing scales that are included in your Marsden Service Contract, simply by clicking on Search. Otherwise, you can search by location, item serial number, client ID, postcode, or product barcode. For each scale, you can see the serial number, the make and model of the scale, the department which it is assigned to, the client asset ID, the scale's approval class, its status, whether it is active or has been condemned, the barcode assigned by Marsden, the previous service and repair dates, what type of service was performed, who signed off the service visit, the job status, completed, condemned, or not found, and location of the scale. Click on the serial number to find more details about the asset. This gives the full asset history, its full service record, and all calibration certificates issued. Click on the certificate number to download or print the calibration certificate. And click on the service number to download the full service report. You can request a service callout using the left-hand menu. This will open an online form where you can fill in the details of the scale in need of service or repair. Fill in as much information as possible to help our engineer solve the problem as quick as possible. Add your own email address if you want to be sent a copy of the request. If you are having problems with a specific asset, click on Request Callout for this asset on the Asset Details page to open the online form which is pre-populated with the asset information. Add the details of the problem and include your own email address if you want to be sent a copy of the request. You can request all calibration certificates and service reports based on a specified date range. You can view the documents individually or download all the documents by clicking Select All and Export to PDF. Click on Downloads on the left-hand menu and click on the URL. This will save a zip file to your computer. For this, we recommend using Microsoft Edge. The zip file contains all the documents which can be opened, saved, and printed. You can view all invoices associated with your service account. Select Invoices from the left-hand menu. Here you will find Summary Invoices and Full Invoices. If you click on the invoice name, you will be able to print a copy of the document. If you have any questions about the Service Portal or our servicing in general, please get in touch. You can call us on 0170 9364 296 or email service@marsdengroup.co.uk.